We are gonna open some PR. I am very excited for this one especially, but let's get into it. One thing, so grateful for it. Ah, okay. It's from Cure Code. It's a double barrier cream. I'm very excited to try this out, so I wonder if this one's gonna help. I will let you guys know. Okay. What? Oh my gosh! Wait, this is crazy. I'm ready. I love how there's a handle on it. Okay. Let's open this. Ooh. Wait! Oh my gosh, wait! Oh! Oh my gosh! Okay. Retinol Collagen Eye Ampule Patch. I got toner pads. You guys know I love toner pads. I love whenever I get toner pads as PR because they run out really fast. So I'm very happy about that. I got the collagen modeling pack clay. I've tried this out. It was pretty good. So I'm happy I got this again. Got face mask, the hyper collagen low molecular liposome face mask, a pack of that. Very interesting. Ooh, and another one, it's a spicule pore tightening system mask. Very interesting. I think these two are like their new products. I think I bought the Secret Garden Nami. I bought the bunny Nami I showed you guys in my last vlog. I'm really hoping, let me show you who I want, because I am so nervous because the first two Namis I bought, I got Bin Bin. Okay, Bin Bin is not ugly, but he is not my preferred color, and he's just not in my color palette. I just don't want Bin Bin. I kept getting him twice, but then I had to buy Nene. So there's that. I'm really scared. Bin Bin traumatized me so much. So I'm really hoping to get the secret. I'll be happy getting the secret Lily. She's so cute. She comes with a dress. And I think her name's Campanula. Yeah, I think her name's Campanula. Her. And I'm really hoping to get, she's my first pick. And if I don't get her, I'm very happy to get her. And if not her, really hoping to get the secret. But I really want Anemone. She's just so cute. I just love the brown pink combo. It's just so cute. But hopefully her or her. Really hoping. It's 5:15 a.m. right now, and I'm actually on my way to the airport to go to Arizona again, just for a short trip, the same amount of days. But I'm going there to help be an assistant kind of in a photo shoot. So there's that. We're gonna be heading to the airport. We're not gonna drive because we don't got the time for that. We're gonna go fly there. So I will see you guys at the airport after TSA and all that. at the photo shoot place, and I'm being a little assistant right now because I have to make sure I answer clients' messages and whatever and lead them to the room and just be a good assistant host basically. But yeah, so far not bad. Just a little anxious talking to people, but because everyone's different, so you don't know how everyone's personality is. So got the last client in. We're driving back. Where is it? No. I dropped the little stand for my camera. I have no idea where it is.
Is that the one you wanted?
That's two of the same thing.
Oh yeah, I can't tell if it's.
I'll give one to Chloe. I got PR from Medicube because I know what's inside. I know what's inside. And so let's open her. Well, it's like PR TikTok shop kind of thing, but dream right here. The dream. So let's open her right now. I'm gonna be trying her out for like a week or two before like I make a video on it, just because I want to see if it really like is worth the money. Because like right now I think in Yes Style she's like 180 or maybe 200, I'm not sure. Last time she was 180 on sale, like really good sale, but you know, still pricey, and I didn't want to buy it before, you know, I will be doing an unboxing. And we went to a little flea market inside the mall in Little Tokyo and got cute stickers from this artist. Here's the name. And got press-ons from this artist or store. So cute. I know it's very different from my aesthetic, but I needed like this specific aesthetic press-ons because I'm wearing like a black dress on Saturday for a party, so I needed it to fit. I could have worn pink, but I kind of wanted to try this aesthetic.